Hey, welcome back to another video of H&H Express model N-scale trains. In this video we're going to continue on that shuttle track and we're going to check on the current sensors. I know I already did create a video of using a current sensor, but I found that it was not that accurate. And as you may have seen on the main layout, sometimes the current sensors do not work correctly. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to explain how the current sensor is working and how we can really test if a train is running. Like the train is now coming this way and it is detected. And I will show you that in the Arduino sketch. So let's go to the computer.
So here we are back at the computer, and on the left hand side you see the IDE of the Arduino, and on the right hand side you see the output of the shuttle train unit which controls the train. And at the left side of me you will see the shuttle train moving up and forward, and this is where we left off when I installed the current sensors. And as you can see on the output, it tells me the left side track has been detected, reverse polarity of the track. We are waiting 10 seconds and then the train will move to the right. So you see all those values, 163, 165, etc, etc. 10 seconds has passed and now moving to the right. And you see the values here are 166, 151, 176, etc, etc. But if you're looking closer to those values, they look almost similar, so it is very hard to tell that there is really a train running. And that is with the current sensor which I use, which has the transformer inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this current sensor now, and I will show you the program which is coming up here. Oh, sorry. That should be that one. So here you see the program. It should actually be program number 12 because it's version 12. And I added the ACS712 current sensor, which is this current sensor. So I added some extra information in it. I'm not going to go into deep to that, but I will upload it and then you will see the difference. So let me pause the video for now so that I can make the output a little bit bigger. So bear with me. So here a little bit different. So now at the top that is my Arduino IDE, and at the bottom is the output of the shuttle train controller. And I have moved the video feed a little bit more up to the right at the top. And now you can see that there is a train moving which says train is detected, and I'm using this sensor, the ACS712, and now the train stops for 10 seconds as you can see in the feed, and it says no train detected. There is still a little bit of current running, but that is the problem what we have with the current sensors and the reference voltages on there. And as you can see, the train is starting to move again, and it is, yes, there is a train detected. And I'm showing it here in milliamps. So the current is in milliamps, the absolute current is in amps, and the measurement of the train at this moment is also in amps, and you can see that it draws 1/4 of an amp. And when it moves back to the left, you will see that the polarity will change. So it says here right side train detected, reverse polarity of the track, waiting 10 seconds, and you see there is no train detected. And now it detects the train, and you see that the current is -18, -0.18, 0.17, which is 175 milliamps around that area. And now the train is detected. So with this information I can control my trains a little bit better. And you have seen it in the live stream, I have problems with my main track, so my main layout, that it doesn't really detect that there is a train. And now with this, I made some changes in the measurements. I can use that measurement on my system, on my power distribution or power section for my main track, which helps me a lot. And the reason why I did that is I added an extra conversion section to it. So I'm not going to go into that too deep. I will do that later in a second part of the video, because now it comes that with this help of the investigation, what I did, I can build the shuttle train a little bit better, and using the ACS712 and then the 5 amp version, I can now really detect the train. So in the next video, I'm gonna build the new controller section. So not only the Arduino with the L298N motor driver, but also with this current sensor, and I'm also gonna use the pulse width modulation 16-pin controller, the PCA6985. So until that, if you like this, then please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.